Hi everybody, it's Wanda. Okay, so this is a little test that I'm gonna do. I have layered copper, silver, black, and a really pretty kind of espresso color that I mixed using gold, burnt umber, and a little white to lighten it, and it came out like a really pretty kind of espresso kind of gold. So I have layered them in the cup, starting with black, going to silver, going to the brown color, or the espresso gold, and the copper. So I'm just gonna do, I think, just a flip cup, not even a black background. This is a little 6x6 gallery wrap that I picked up. I like these little paintings, these little canvas, and I haven't done some of these for a while, so I thought that would be fun. So I got some today. Break up some of that. These are thick paints, by the way. This is kind of a test and this is way too much paint, for a big canvas that I want to do. I have a 24 by 36 that I want to try. So I was wondering about using these colors together. I think I'm gonna lose all that pretty brown. I'm gonna end up with a black painting. It's all right, it'll look spacey. I just want to see how this color combo works together and see what happens. Kind of like seeing what happens. Ooh, I like this. It really looks spacey. I gave my grandson a galaxy that I did for him for Christmas, and he just really loved it. So I like doing the galaxies. The ones that come out looking like a galaxy. I think I want to take that one off that corner a little bit more and make that look like a planet. I think that's that brown color I mixed up. Come on. Of course, it's going to go everywhere except the corner. Maybe I can stretch it back down. Really a lot of paint. See if it'll come back down a little bit now. That looks like a perfect spiral galaxy right there. That is unbelievable. That's what the Milky Way is, you know, spiral galaxy. Ooh, I love this. Cool. I love it when a plan works out. If the big one turns out this good, I'll be really happy. I'm gonna torch it a little bit. I will never get that again. And that looks like a little tiny spiral galaxy out there. Or a planet, almost like a planet that has a ring around it, but it's not round enough up and down. It's just flat looking, so. Pop some bubbles. Maybe it'll bring up some more metallic colors under there. Ooh, I love it. So galaxy looking. All right, everybody, and a fast video. How about that? So the paint's mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol and mixed thick. These I didn't thin down very much. They've been mixed up for at least 2 to 3 weeks, maybe longer. So they were sitting there thick. And I just didn't even water them down because I just wanted to see what would happen. So now I know, and I am not going to stretch this anymore. I'm not going to touch it. I absolutely love it. I'll take the camera down and give you a close-up. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, everybody, I wanted you to see it from my viewpoint. And check out that. Looks like a spiral galaxy. It's so cool. I love that. I know my reflections hand is camera and stuff is in there, but and then that looks like another spiral galaxy up there in the right hand corner, and maybe like a planet right there. I won't have to do anything to this one. I won't have to put any stars. I might put a star in it, but that would be about all I would do. So the copper's showing through. That looks cool. Got a little bit of solid black right down here in the corner, but that's all right. So, and it's all metallic except for the black. So they should pop really good. So I'm loving this. That looks almost like the front of a spaceship up in the top right-hand corner. I like it. Of course, I was a Trekkie back in the day. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this one. Go have fun.